Smash that thing?
Yeah.
Smash that thing over your knee or something.
I want to see. We just wanted to take and just crack it. You can't, right?
You want me to? Now I need some. Now I need arthroscopic surgery.
Can you step on it? Can you? I mean, I want to see it break. I want to see it shatter.
I don't think you can.
Come on, Mikey.
It's like cement.
You ate your Wheaties? Come on, buddy. Oh,
you can do
that's
this.
it. Come on. There you go. You got it.
You got a little bend. You got a little bend.
Oh, you're making Letterman proud.
Can you believe that?
Yeah, you're making Letterman proud.
That is crazy. That was quick, wasn't it? All right. Thank you.
Wow.
Out in
Yeah,
the
boy,
cold.
amazing.
Okay,
Yeah,
no,
Mike Seidel. Okay,
thanks, guys.
no frozen T-shirt contest for Mike.
Yeah, I would not like to participate in that contest.
Definitely
No,
not.
thank you. You know, and Jim, I'm here with Storm Tracker Jim Cantore. And